This is the first part of Lab 2. I'm going to do problem number 3 on page 114 in your 6th edition book. I'm going to have to move fairly quick so you can see what I'm talking about in here. You should be familiar with this from your first lab. You can create a new project. I'm going to step through this pretty. This is building blocks, so I hope you are able to follow along. You're going to call this as chapter 2 underscore number 3. As the name of the project. You're going to navigate to your local drive. In here, your local drive is, I have my local drive in here. So I put this under Lab 2. Alright, and number 3. There you go. Select that folder, disable this thing, and we're ready to rock and roll. Enable project, finish. So, here I am. This is where what I would like to do is to probably do this on a notepad so you can see it in a better resolution with this thing, and then I want to paste it in there because the font here you could probably see a little better. Maybe I could do it here. I'll do it over here and I'll increase the font so you can see what I'm talking about. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Give me a second. However you call your file, since this is the only one that says, just call it main, lowercase main for me. I'm going to increase the font size in this thing so you can crank this thing up and okay, so let me pause this for the time being because I don't want to take too much of the minutes, but that's just a little prep work that I prepare for the let's go ahead and put the skeleton on here. I have a few more seconds on this thing. Put your header files, all 3 of your header files in this thing. Alright, so I need for you, this is number 3, just put number 3, page 114-115. Okay, and kind of put your skeleton in here. Remember the pound include IOStream. And then using namespace. std, and then int your main function, curly brackets, return 0. This is what I call your basic skeleton. You need to know how to write this. Okay, so let me stop right here with an asterisk here. Control S saves everything. Alright, so let me just pause for the time being.